Boric materia medica. There are some remedy which are not present in the Allen's keynotes and they are only in a Boric materia medica. So the first remedy is Abies canadensis, also known as Pinus canadensis, hemlock spruce. Mucous membranes are affected by Abies canadensis and gastric symptoms are most marked and catarrhal condition of the stomach is produced. There are peculiar cravings and chilly sensations that are very characteristic, especially for women with uterine displacement, probably due to defective nutrition with debility. Respiration and heart action labored. Wants to lie down all the time. Skin cold and clammy. Hands cold, very faint. Right lung and liver feel small and hard. Gleat. Head feels lightheaded, tipsy, irritable. Stomach. Canine hunger with torpid liver, gnawing, hungry, faint feeling at the epigastrium, great appetite, craving for meat, pickles, radishes, turnips, artichokes, coarse food. Tendency to eat far beyond capacity for digestion. Burning and distension of stomach and abdomen with palpitation. Flatulence disturbs the heart action. Pain in right shoulder blade and constipation with burning in rectum. Female, uterine displacement, sore filling at fundus of uterus relieved by pressure. Prostration, wants to lie down all the time, thinks womb is soft and feeble. Fever, cold shiverings as if blood were ice water. I repeat, in fever, there is cold shiverings as if blood were ice water, chills run down back, cold water filling between shoulders, skin clammy and sticky, night sweat. Dose first to third potency. The next drug is Abies nigra, also known as black spruce, a powerful and long-acting remedy in various forms of disease whenever the characteristic stomach symptoms are present. Most of the symptoms are associated with the gastric disturbances in dyspeptic troubles of the aged with functional heart symptoms also after tea or tobacco. Constipation, pain in external meatus, head hot with flushed cheeks, low spirited, dull during the day, wakeful at night, unable to think. Stomach, pain in stomach always comes on after eating, sensation of a lump that hurts as if a hard boiled egg had lodged in the cardiac end of stomach. I repeat, sensation of a lump that hurts as if a hard boiled egg had lodged in the cardiac end of the stomach. Continual distressing constriction just above the pit of the stomach as if everything were knotted up. Total loss of appetite in morning but great craving for food at noon and night, offensive breath irritations. Chest, painful sensation as if something were lodged in the chest and had to be coughed up. Lungs feel compressed, cannot be fully expanded. Worse coughing, water breath succeeds cough. Choking sensation in throat, dyspnea, worse lying down, sharp cutting pain in heart, heart's action heavy and slow, tachycardia, bradycardia. Back, pain in small of back, rheumatic pains and aching in bones, sleep, wakeful and restless at night with hunger, bad dreams. Fever, alternate heat and cold, chronic intermittent fever with pain in stomach. Modalities, worse after eating. Dose first to 30th potency.